In the suffocating moments on the road, serious truck accidents occurred, making many people shudder. The fatal error of the driver led to unimaginable collisions, but the miracle was the unexpected escape of the people in the car. Let's follow the thrilling moments and learn valuable lessons from this accident. The small car, in a moment of recklessness and lack of calculation, tried to squeeze between two giant trucks. The result? The car lost control and crashed straight into the roadside barrier. When facing large vehicles on the road, keep a safe distance and do not rush, because just a moment of lack of control is enough to cause an unfortunate accident. The truck driver, while engrossed in his phone, did not notice the black car in front until it was too late. As a result, the accident was inevitable. Never use your phone while driving. A moment of carelessness can cause serious consequences. The small car rushed out of the narrow alley, not even glancing at the giant truck that was rushing like a storm. A collision was inevitable. Always look carefully before entering the lane. The white car suddenly stopped, for no one knew the reason. The truck driver, even though he braked hard, could not avoid the collision. The accident was as if everything was preordained. Always keep a safe distance when driving, especially in unexpected situations, to have enough time to react. He was driving at a cautious speed, but somehow he still could not see the car in front of him. And then, instead of reaching his destination, he went straight to the garage. Always keep a safe distance and concentrate when driving, even if you think that a slow speed will ensure safety. The black car suddenly changed lanes without looking back. The truck driver tried to steer to the left but still could not avoid the collision. Always look carefully at the surrounding vehicles before changing lanes to avoid an accident. When the car is speeding on a snow-covered road, the slippery surface becomes an unwitting ally of loss of control. In an instant, it swerved, slid to the side, and then slammed into the car next to it. When driving on a snowy road, keep your speed low to avoid unnecessary accidents. The truck driver, eyes squinting from the glare of oncoming headlights, tried to see the road ahead clearly. However, before he could realize what was happening, the car slammed into the wreckage of the accident. Slow down when you see oncoming headlights.
Доброе утро, конечно.
The truck, with a speed beyond the imagination of even the most speed-loving drivers, braking was a good idea. But it was too late and a collision was inevitable. After a hurricane-like storm, a grumpy old tree decided to block the road. Despite careful observation, the car still hit this tree, resulting in a collision that could not have been worse. A design bull like a... The big truck, like a sleepy giant, was completely unaware of the accident ahead until the collision happened. The white car, now pressed so hard by the giant truck that it could not move, looked like a helpless turtle under the grip of a sleeping giant. The small car, like a lost soul in life, suddenly turned into the lane. The driver, with a bewildered effort, turned the steering wheel to the right, but all efforts were in vain. The collision still happened, and another bad story was written in the book of carelessness. The driver of the big truck, a rather careless person, let the car move freely. As a result, the truck hit a smaller car, causing the car to lose control and crash into the guardrail. As it was pouring rain, he drove his truck at a dizzying speed. Like a sleepwalker in a rainstorm, he noticed the cars in front too late, and as a result, the truck crashed into another car, leaving an unimaginable wreckage. When driving in bad weather conditions, keep a slow speed and keep a safe distance to avoid unnecessary and dangerous situations. On a sunny day, the truck driver, with confidence, ignored the signs and rushed forward, not caring about the rules. Fortunately, thanks to his equally divine acumen, he noticed the car parked across the road in time and avoided an unimaginable traffic disaster. The small car, like a person who does not know how to keep his distance, suddenly changed lanes without paying attention to the car behind, and in the blink of an eye, a collision occurred. This situation emphasizes the importance of paying attention when driving. The road was slippery because of unexpected small patches of ice. His car suddenly lost control, as if an invisible hand had thrown it down, perhaps reminding us to be careful or at least not to ignore weather warnings. The small car, like a mad monster, rushed across the road at an unbelievable speed. It crashed into a truck, then continued to crash into the car in front, despite trying to brake urgently, resulting in an unbelievable chaotic collision chain. He fell asleep at the wheel, causing his huge truck to rush like an out-of-control monster on the road. Always stay alert when driving. Avoid such situations by getting enough rest and not driving when tired. The truck in front turns on its hazard lights, while the truck behind ignores the warning. By the time the driver realizes, it is too late to avoid, even if he turns the steering wheel. Always drive at the speed limit and pay attention to emergency signals. Two huge trucks slowly move down the narrow road like two giants colliding in a football match. As they try to avoid each other, one of them swerves to the side of the road, as if trying not to step on its own shadow. The small pickup truck, which seems to have rested its head for a nap, suddenly leans out onto the side of the road as if and crashes into a truck before speeding away like a stealthy person, leaving the scene. When driving, always stay alert and focused. A momentary loss of concentration can lead to unwanted accidents. To avoid similar accidents, always keep a safe distance from other vehicles and pay attention to the traffic situation around you. A little caution can help you avoid such chaotic situations. He seemed to have lost control of his car, causing it to swerve in a panic before crashing into the bushes on the side of the road. Always maintain control and focus while driving, especially on uneven roads. Sometimes, a moment of distraction can lead to serious consequences. Always pay attention to surrounding vehicles, especially large vehicles, to avoid unfortunate accidents. Caution and concentration are the keys to ensuring safety on the road. The giant truck suddenly emitted a deafening explosion, causing the whole car to shake. The driver, with his instincts overriding his reason, immediately swerved to the side of the road to avoid an unimaginable disaster. On the highway, the car crashed head-on into the truck. It was dragged a long distance like a broken toy, while its driver was daydreaming, not realizing the disaster that was unfolding. When driving in bad weather conditions, especially on snowy roads, check your tires regularly and maintain a safe speed. A little preparation can prevent unnecessary accidents. Never let complacency cloud your attention while driving. Always stay focused and follow safety regulations, especially when driving in unfavorable conditions. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your feelings. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing attractive content. See you in the next videos.